Welcome to Universal Terra Luna Resort, the second of the Epic Universe area hotels to open at Universal Orlando. We're here on opening day. That leaves just one more, which would be the Helios Grand. But here we are at Terra Luna. Now, these rooms are going to be very, very similar, if not practically identical, to what we saw at Stella Nova. So you can watch our Stella Nova room tours. We had two different room tours. You could watch. This one's actually going to be a little different. I decided to get the ADA room. So this is going to be the disability room, disability friendly, and there are some differences to that because we want to bring you as many of these room types as we can. Now, if you're staying at Stella Nova, this will be very similar to an ADA room there and vice versa. There'll be a lot of similarities, but I'm going to go to the wide angle so we get a good look. All right, we're on the wide. I don't have a stabilizer. I apologize. I forgot it at home, and I'm going to hope I'm good enough after 18 years of doing this to keep this nice and stable for you. So we come to the entry. It's a nice wide entry. If you have a wheelchair and maybe you don't need it all of the time, I don't know, everyone has different situations. There's a nice bit of room here. I think it'll fit here. I will tell you, if it's an ECV, I don't see a plug down at this, or an outlet down at this end. So that might be something worth noting. But for a lot of ECVs, the battery detaches. You can charge it elsewhere and keep the ECV in this big pocket. You put luggage here, whatever you'd like. We'll start in the bathroom. The bathroom will be a big deviation from the norm. The vanity is in here. So we have the walk-in shower. Again, ADA compliant room. Yes, and so there's the sink, the vanity, there it is, and there's lots of room in here, obviously. The toilet, don't open the door if someone's on the toilet because it's not gonna go well. But yeah, there's the toilet down there, and some handrails. And for the shower, we keep all that theme here. So we have the theme, these like, I don't know, constellation map lines. I don't know what you want to call them. But there is a seat that lowers there if you need it. There are the mounted shampoo. Was it shampoo and conditioner, I assume? Yes, mounted shampoo and conditioner. We have the adjustable shower head, but there is also a fixed shower head up there. And I do love that they brand their facial soap. You can take that home if you'd like. I'm a mental case and take such things home. So if you think that's cool, you can. It's no, VO5 and Zest from Cabana Bay, but nothing is. We're gonna open the closet now. Cabana Bay has got that. They're never gonna be topped in that game. So here's our closet. We have extra bedding up top. We have additional towels. We have the hairdryer. We have a safe, iron and ironing board. Thank you for those of us who wear button-up shirts all the time. And a nice amount of storage space down below. Nice wide open concepts for the closet. Moving out this way, we have a very large mirror. Does that qualify as full length? I think it'd have to go to the top, right? It depends on the surface. Am I right with that term? I don't know. So, if you watch Stella Nova, we went on an adventure. The first time we stayed, I could not get these lights to turn on. The second time we stayed, someone goes, hey, I know, I've seen other room tours. There's a switch. It's right about here. It depends on where your room faces. I thought I was losing my mind. They're not there. They're gone. So there is one significant difference. I think it's this one. That turns those off. It's now a switch on the opposite wall. It is not a switch attached to those lights. A vast improvement. I think it's going to be a long time till they get to roll back through the Stella Nova rooms and try again and do that over, but they got it right here. Good for them learning from that mistake. So similar to the other resort, there is a little carpet that goes where you might step out of the bed in the evening or whenever you take a nap. I'm not judging. We have our two beds, and what's different here is instead of a sky full of stars, we have a giant representation of a planet. I don't think it's supposed to be Earth. I know obviously the name is Terra Luna, but I think it means we're ground. We're on a planet in space somewhere that's not Earth, I think. I don't know. I know Terra is Earth in Guardians of the Galaxy and such, but that's obviously not a Universal movie. Either way. So yeah, there's a big planet up here. It is flat. I remember vividly at the other one, there was a panel with the stars. It stuck out. Here, this is part of the wall. It's a wallpaper or an applied piece. We have the mini fridge, the Magic Chef. There we go. Magic Chef mini fridge, good size. Fit your leftovers from downstairs in there. Coffee station. What do we got on this thing? A Cuisinart? I like that this is a space-themed hotel, and I just referenced Spaceballs. Makes me happy. Ice buckets back there. Here are some drawers. Nice big drawers. You get 4 of those. You got a good amount of counter space here. There's our map. And kudos again on the branded pen and notepad and this rundown giving you everything you need to know here at the resort. There's the phone. And then from here, you'll have outlets that pop out. 2 standard, a USB-C, and 3 USB. 3 standard USB come out of there. The one thing I thought was missing here was like a chair to go to this desk, because you have this nice big counter. If you want to use it, there's nothing to even drag over to use as a chair here. But that being said, you'll just have to use this instead, because there is a table. You pull that table over to here, and you could just pull that over here and plug there. So it's not the end of the world. But if you like a big workspace, maybe these value resorts are not the best option for you. A nice wide couch down here. Another one of those lights. So we're at a top floor. We're at the very end of the building in the back, I would say. And so it is not the most picturesque view. The blessing of size is not the story of Universal Orlando. It's the story of Walt Disney World. Universal Orlando, very much more like Disneyland, where the land was available. They built something. They were very successful. And now they're trying to expand. And in that expansion, you are butting up against one of the tourism meccas of the world that grew around you. So there's parking lots, there's some just empty fields. But then also we're just, we're in a back corner, so we're not even above a guest area. We're backstage, essentially. It's not the best view. Not every room has the best view. But for the price, I don't think you're going to complain. I do love the pool area, though. It's super pretty. I wish we were above it, but technically we have a view of the pool, I suppose. Mostly of HVAC, but also the pool. I like the big... I do like the shape of these windows. I know I said in the other review too, it makes it stand out. It really does. For a value resort, they leaned into the space theme nicely, and the rooms feel interesting for a value. I don't have necessarily a huge problem. We're going to see the big problem we had at Stella Nova was the bedding was terrible. The scratchiest linens I've experienced in 18 years of doing this. I've stayed at cheap motels in Anaheim, in Japan. I've stayed at low-end hotels in a lot of places, and a lot of them had better linen than Stella Nova did, but I think this is going to be the same. Yeah, it's still scratchy. It's all scratchy. Nice touch, the lighting that comes out of the double headboard here. This is padded. So don't worry, you're not going to get hurt probably unless you really run into it. And then in the center, over here, there will be another drawer for us with the Bible. Make sure you have your Bible in space. No one can hear you pray. I'm teasing. It's a joke. It's an alien joke. Anyway. So then we have some more outlets here. We have 2 standard, a USB-C and a USB. I could already hear people complaining about that last joke, which was not a knock on any religion, by the way. Just a joke about being in space. There is this kind of mushroomy light. And then if you have an iPhone, the wireless charging alarm clock is here as well. There it is. There's the remote for the television. And there's our television. Cordless party. That's me. There's a web remote. You can control the TV with your phone, but you can't actually send stuff to it. It'll play audio from your phone or your computer, but it won't actually stream what you're watching. You can't actually do that. So weird, just a real weird casting option available on this television. Climate control here, some outlets down there, and that's the room. That's what it is. So there you go. Again, Terra Luna, one of the new Epic Universe area resort hotels at Universal Orlando, and we're just weeks away at the time of recording from the opening of that park on May 22nd. But let us know in the comments if you like these rooms. You're going to stay here? Do you like it? I mean, for the price and the walkability to Epic, I don't think the little problems I have with this room are the end of the world, although I will say if you need a good night's sleep with nice linens, you're not getting it in this room. But otherwise, I think perfectly comfortable, nice enough, and a very good value.